Go.
This is our box, plans for our box. We're gonna cut a square out of the top and then put the Reynolds wrap over it so it can still heat up and not have like heat coming out of it. And then put aluminum foil so it can like, and then put insulation like newspapers.
Just cut the hole in the box to get our food in and out of, and to make a window to keep that food inside.
So the importance of the plastic top is so that the sun can go in and heat the food, but the heat doesn't come out, so it still stays warm.
Okay, so we are taping little tape things on the foil because the foil, when it is put on, it will reflect the heat off the top and all that stuff, and then it will basically keep the heat in and heat up the food. So we're just doing that right now. It is going to be really, really fun. Okay, so right here I am putting insulation, which is the newspaper to keep the heat from coming out. It's hard job.
Just like Ava said, just like basic newspaper or cardboard or black paper can be really useful in keeping that heat in. So another pretty important thing is you want to make the bottom of your oven black so it can absorb and again keep that heat and make it as hot as possible.
Okay, so this part is to let the light in. It's the Reynolds wrap, and it's to let the light in. And so we cook the food inside. And then this is to hold it up so the light can bounce off of the aluminum foil into here. And then here, there's insulation, there's newspaper and other foam stuff. And then here's reflecting so it can reflect the food also. And then here, we're going to put Reynolds wrap because there's some holes and that we need to cover so the heat doesn't escape. Right now we're putting the food in the oven in a nice sunny spot.
So
All of our beautiful smush marshmallows. Wait, let me take one last video. Thermometer in the sunny spot.
very hot.
Let's close it.
We're taping it up so that the heat and stuff doesn't escape. See, Maya's doing a very nice job of it. See, our names are right there, Ava and Maya. So we're making marshmallow. We're making s'mores, if you can see in there. And there are the s'mores and stuff. Yes, in science class.
What'd you make?
What happened?
Yeah.
I need it.
The chocolate melted on most of them.
Okay, seems like the temperature went up to 112 degrees.
Wow, that's pretty.
Yeah, pretty big. And see,
The chocolate
Oh.
really melted on that one. Hey, that was mine.
sorry, it kind of melted right there. It didn't
The
really.
marshmallows didn't really melt.
No, I'm gonna put this on top.
I think the insulation really helped a lot because the box is not that hot now, actually.
That's because we lit all the air out.
Yeah, I know.
So, this is our project. This one did not heat up.
That's interesting. So the light bench in here and through here.
Yeah. It seems like the light came. That's where it melted most, and then right there and right there. So, so interesting.
So I just wanted to say again that the highest temperature that we observed in our oven was 112 degrees, so that was really good. So we had a lot of insulation and stuff keeping that heat in. So the advantages of cooking in a solar oven is that you can cook food, but some of the disadvantages are, what if it's nighttime, you don't have a place to cook food, and water can be sometimes you have to reach a certain height to get all the bacteria off. So there's disadvantages and advantages. So some other ways to use solar ovens besides cooking food is to dry clothes. This is what I just made up. And some places to boil water if it gets hot enough. And maybe if it gets hot enough to melt metals or materials. And another one, I don't know if this is great for the environment, but burning trash. It's a different alternative than throwing it in the ocean. So there's a lot of different ways to use solar ovens besides cooking food. So solar ovens are very useful. Well, we really enjoyed this project and we really learned a lot. We just want to express our gratitude. Maya and Ava, over and out.